Good girl. I'm gonna go all the way to the top. All right, pup. I'm gonna go all the way to the top. You be patient. All right. Come. Good girl. Good girl. That's pretty good, pup. That's pretty good. That's pretty good, pup. Good girl. That's pretty good. Look at this. This is basically as good as it gets. Like when you're talking about greens, wild microgreens is it's about as good as it gets. Freshly picked up out the ground. Look, you just pinch off that little root, that little bit of roots and dirt. You just got a nice little mouthful of some greens. This is miner's lettuce. Miner's lettuce microgreens. And we got Italian thistle microgreens. And there's some milk thistle on the other side of the hill I'm about to go over and get. Some of these don't look the prettiest, but that don't bother me. If y'all only knew. Sheesh. Man.